Hey everyone, it is time for a Basketweave must-have. As we continue to celebrate our fall in love with temptations, we had to, of course, share with you our Basketweave. This is a completely sculptural piece that has all of that gorgeous detail that runs all the way around. First, it starts with a Basketweave detail design that's embossed. Then there's tea staining that goes on top of that. Then there's hand-applied accents that go on top of that. Hand painting, as well as the inside has a beautiful pattern as well. But this is a must-have. And what's a must-have? Well, it's an item or a collection that I have curated just for you that's pretty practical and purposeful. And our Basketweave 2-quart baker is gonna take you from appetizers to desserts, from everyday to holiday. And that's what I love about this. If it's just the two of you, perfect size. If it's a bigger family, this is going to be your go-to side dish. It comes, of course, with that snap-on storage cover, so you're literally prepping, baking, serving, and storing. Oh, but we didn't stop there. We also included 2 of our covered 12-ounce little servers, Ramekins. I love these pieces. You will too. You'll use them for so many different things. Under $20 over at temp-tations.com. So you're definitely going to want to go check that out. There you can see the 2-quart with the 2 covered 12 ounces. But look what else we did. We did a beautiful pasta bake in our black floral lace. Look at how gorgeous that is. Nice heaping helping. Nice and bubbly and warm, which we love. And then I just did some crushed red pepper flakes and some extra pasta sauce in the 2 little dishes here. And I can put them in the microwave to heat them up and keep them nice and warm. And then if you're thinking, well, can you keep cold things cold as well? You certainly can. I did a beautiful spinach side salad with gorgeous red onions. Absolutely beautiful. And you guessed it, I did some croutons and I did some salad dressing in our little minis. This is why this is an absolute must-have. 3 great pieces with, of course, the lids for under $20. Run, don't walk to temp-tations.com. Pick out your color and start enjoying and find out why you're going to fall in love with Temptations too.